We're showing you how to make a delicious gravy from the drippings of the roasting pan. Use the turkey giblets and juices left in the pan to make a mouth-watering gravy. We roughly chopped some carrots, celery, and onion to go at the bottom of the roasting pan. This is called a trivet, and it will help add amazing depth of flavor to your gravy. If your turkey came with giblets, add them in. These will add extra turkey taste to the gravy. Distribute the vegetables and giblets in a uniform layer. Place the turkey on top of the trivet. Now bake the turkey. We prepare the turkey for cooking in a way that is also the base for a flavorful gravy. We show you all the steps for cooking a turkey in another video, which we'll link to in the description. When the turkey is done, transfer to a platter to rest. Don't throw any of this out, it's precious flavoring for your gravy, which you can make while your turkey is resting. You can also add any juice that drips onto your platter. Transfer the vegetables and giblets from the roasting pan to one bowl, and the liquid and whatever else remains in the pan to another bowl. You can deglaze the roasting pan by adding some white wine. The wine will soak up all the remaining goodness. You can heat the pan to make it easier if you like. Now we'll make a roux. Add butter and flour to a small pot or pan on medium and cook for 3 minutes, stirring constantly. In another pot, add more butter and chopped onion and garlic. Cook for 5 minutes on medium-low, stirring constantly. Add the white wine mixture and make a reduction. The liquid should reduce by half. This will take about 5 minutes. Now add the juices and all the vegetables and the giblets if you have them. Next, add chicken stock and some fresh herbs. We are adding sage, rosemary, and thyme. Let the gravy simmer for at least an hour. After an hour, mash it all together. Now strain and press to get as much liquid as you can. This gravy will be delicious. Now add the roux to a pot on medium, followed by the gravy, and mix. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to low and simmer. Check your seasoning and add salt and pepper if needed. If our video on making gravy is helpful to you, please help us by giving us a like. Check the thickness of the gravy. If you're happy with it, your gravy is done. If you want it thicker, you can cook it a little longer. It's best to serve the gravy nice and hot. You can leave some on low heat in the pot on the stove and replenish your gravy boat as needed. If you like this video, we think you'll enjoy these too.